So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can add Robux to your Roblox account from your mobile. It works on both of the devices like your PC and your mobile too. So first of all, you have to open up your Roblox application, and after that you have to hop into this more button available at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that you have to scroll through this page, and the second last option in this list is help and safety. So you have to tap on it. Next you have to tap on the very first link which appears up named help. And when you hop into help, a page will be appeared up which will have a search bar available on it. And there you go. From here you have to tap in the search bar and search here redeem and hit the search button. And from all the search results which will appear up, you have to go with the very first search result which says how to redeem and spend your gift card. After that you can read all the details here on this page, and next you have to tap on this link which is roblox.com/redeem. Your browser will be opened and it will redirect to you a Roblox page where you have to make sure that your Roblox account is logged in. And after logging into your Roblox account, you have to enter the redeem code, your gift card code here in this page, and tap on redeem, and the Robux will be added to your Roblox account. And if you want to add Robux manually without a gift card, you have to open up your application, go to the home page and tap on this Robux icon available next to the notification icon at the top right corner. And after redeeming your gift card, your Robux will be displayed here. And if you want to add Robux to your Roblox account manually, you can directly purchase any amount of Robux from here on this page and they will be added to your Roblox account. So those are the two ways to add Robux to your Roblox account.